My name is Valerie Antonio.
And I'm Toby Smith, and we're from the Food Science Department at the University of Maine.
Today we're going to demonstrate the Maillard Browning reaction in pancakes.
Or in other words, the nice golden brown color you get when you cook your pancakes.
Maillard Browning occurs when a protein and sugar are heated together. Proteins are the building blocks of the tissue in your body. You can find protein in meat, eggs, milk, flour, and many other foods. When the egg and sugar in the pancake batter are heated in the pan, a reaction occurs between the protein and the sugar. This reaction changes the protein and the sugar into that nice browning color on your pancake.
So, let's explain the process of Maillard browning a little deeper. How do these raw pancakes turn into the golden brown ones you see here? Well, we said earlier that we needed some kind of protein and sugar to make the reaction possible. What we should explain is that protein is made up of smaller blocks called amino acids. Imagine that a protein is a brick house. Making up the brick house are brick walls, which we can imagine as the individual proteins that make up the house. As you can see, the wall is made up of individual bricks. These bricks can be seen as amino acids. Many amino acids make up proteins as the building blocks, and it is these smaller parts that participate in the Maillard browning reaction. As we said earlier, there are many sources of protein. Shown here, there are eggs, fish, cheese, and meat. In our recipe of pancakes, we used eggs. If you imagine the egg as the same brick house, it contains protein which is made up of all those smaller amino acids. When the amino acids are heated together with sugar, which we also added to the pancakes, the Maillard reaction occurs. So, this is how the Maillard reaction works. When you take an amino acid and add some sugar and add some heat, like when we poured the pancake batter into the hot pan, you get the golden brown color you see here. Not only does this reaction make the pancakes turn brown, this reaction also gives us a nice smells and also great taste as well. You can also see other examples of Maillard browning in the crust of a loaf of bread, when you make toast, or when you grill hamburgers, hot dogs, and enjoy a nice juicy steak.
The Maillard browning should not be confused with other browning reactions that you may be familiar with. For example, when you cut an apple or peel a banana, and you leave it out for a while, it'll turn brown. But this reaction does not require heat. It just reacts with the air that's around it.
Maillard browning, on the other hand, does require heat. It can be seen with many other foods other than pancakes, such as bread crust, toast, and hamburgers. Each of these foods contains a sugar and protein, which react together to form the Maillard browning.
There are many reactions that happen in your food that make it look and taste better. When you cook your food, Maillard browning is one of those reactions that help your food taste better and also while adding a great color.
Let's dig in. Thanks for watching.